And welcome back to the Terrible Edition. Chikudi still there studios, and without wasting time, make we do it, make we travel down to Igbo State. That is for Were. Go collect this call from Chukudi Nemfig. That is Oga Chukudi. Good morning, Oga Chukudi. Welcome to us today, Hot.
Yes, good morning, Chukudi, my dear brother.
Yes, we greet you too.
Good morning, my own brother, Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga Chukudi. How were you this morning?
We're there now. We're there somehow. The place is quite wetty. It's raining.
On the road when they don't.
Make it talk with you, go talk. Oga Chukudi talk. We dey hear you.
My brother, what did I go do? I go snap the pictures for them for your phone. Chukudi, make you see.
Okay.
Now, very bad case.
You don't hear that?
Let's forge ahead.
Okay, forge ahead.
Thank you. Let's. I want to talk small for this our Jagaban issue.
Okay.
Where he give this guy condition, say he go resign. You see, just like one caller said, the issue there, there's not a national leader. Remember, the parties, the legacy parties that make up that APC, they did three. PCPC did there, NPP did there, the other one day. Those ones get national leader. So who come the overall national leader now? They suppose if they get, what they go be now, national leaders. There's no one person that is owning that party because there are
different individuals. Yeah,
that is one. Two, for our Oga President, where they go solicit for our polluted funds outside. If you look at what the Swiss government tell them, it will say, this money we will give you, but we want to know how you want to spend them.
Spend them, yes.
They now begin the quarrel. Why they ask us that kind of question? That Swiss government do us favor. That money was lodged in somebody's name. It was lodged in somebody's name, Abacha. They now want to give you back the money. And they don't do that and say, look, we know how you want to spend that. Because there is history of reckless spending and the looted money. They now want to know how you want to spend that. Everybody, they cry. And the money where they want to know how they spend, inside our country, they want to know how you go spend that. They don't say make you spend that for their own country. They want to know how you spend that in their own country. So why are we afraid? You see, everybody is beginning, I'm beginning to be worried. They should be able to have a clear-cut decision on how this money to be spent. That's my own. Let us stop all these things that are telling us every day. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukudi, for that contribution. Straight up from Owerri, we go straight to Ilorin, go collect this call from one of our callers. Ify, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Yes, we hear you.
Yeah, morning, Mr. Chukudi.
I agree to your guy Ify. How Ilorin today?
Yeah.
Well, I beg, what is your name? Chena Ify, Abi Ify?
My name is Ify.
Okay. Right
He shock you because no be woman voice you hear.
It don't do you now.
Ify.
No wasting credit.
Ify. Continue, Oga Ify. Chena Ify or Ify?
Okay, right on. We hear.
It's the program. I enjoy our program.
Thank you very much.
And just to just catch up with you people. There are two things I want to talk because I think our leaders and they watch this program, I believe, and our people also there for Niger Delta. So somehow, you get the things we will do. We know the implication in future. That's what I want to appeal to our people in Niger Delta. They have to think twice. I hope you understand me. Not to say if you fall down and keep quiet, say make you stop things amicably. Not to say if you coward. The part that they break past, they destroy things. Now we will feel upset. All these big men, anyone we like now, go leave this country, go find better place. So I appeal to them. You see, the issue is complicated. A lot of things, news here and there. I want to, you see, anything where they still say be their problem, we still have not gotten everything. Make them state and clear for newspaper. Make them write them or put them. Make we see. Make people deliberate. And also our president is like say, I don't know, although he don't really give open hands to accept them for dialogue and still say, but I know say something still there. Something still there. You must show true love. If you don't show true love, people they reach feelings. People know when you talk with actions, they will know whether you see the talk from a truthful heart or not. So the issue is they appeal to two sides. Make Niger Delta guys, make them take them easy, make them not destroy all these things. Now I say it will see useful But the money we suppose use do other things now, we will start thinking on how to restructure, rebuild, and we are taking things back. Look, I never travel, but at least when we see from television, you will see how beautiful the cities are.
Yes.
The money with the waste, things with the waste for this country. In fact, we have in abundance to renovate and do everything. Even just for my area where I stay here, and I just do 3 boreholes, now you just 3 people. You can see, you just come out to fetch your water and go. And it will remain like that forever. I now thought of it, how I wish our country, our leaders can be honest. I'm not saying water, some things they very minor. We say, I mean, we're not supposed to stress to get them. When one person go on collect whole contract, they go pay them over 100 million. Whereas with 950,000, you go drink, you go one borehole here, put everything. So I beg, that is just that. Make our leaders think twice.
Okay, Ife, very important contribution. Now you don't make, but because of say we get Oga okay on top of our telephone line when he don't call back to complete what he start, you know go vex for us. Oga okay, I hope so you see the on top of our telephone line. Welcome back to our city hall.
I have an unfinished contribution.
Yeah, feel free.
Hello.
Continue.
Okay. I want to talk about the issue of the money. We get some certain time where our president we don't travel, go places like China, like other places. Let me not mention. They promise of giving us loan or something like that. I think I'm yet to hear any result about that one. Then to talk about this our own personal money, shape this current generation go pass away before this money go come. Now the question I want to ask. Then on issue of Boko Haram, you get one proverb where our people they talk. They say, "Na smelling of shit, now go use know the taste of smelling of mess, now go use know the taste of shit." See, Boko Haram no be country. They no be half of country. They see, it don't take us like years to battle. Still, we are yet to defeat these people. They are no country, and we parade the best armed forces in Nigeria. What is holding us? Or in Africa, sorry, not in Nigeria, but in the whole Africa. What is holding us? Please, I'm begging and I'm pleading. I know it's not affecting me, but it's affecting my brothers over there in North.
Very true. Okay,
Thank you. And may God continue
Thank you very
to
much.
much.
Thank you for that prayer. And all of us, they hope, say, God go bless our country, Nigeria. But today, important, make we also point them out, say, not be just to use our mouth, they talk, say, God go bless our country, Nigeria. Nigeria no be the only country when they inside this world. God, they bless every country equally because of the love when he get for all of us, we accept her. And God don't give us the sense to use do things when we say, with what he don't give us, our country go better. Now the time for Nigerians to rise up. All these times when we go sit down, they talk, say, you know, concern me, know my business. God go do my own. Remember, say, when they talk, I'm say, if the country better, everybody go enjoy them. If the country hard, everybody go suffer them. Whether you like them or not. If rain they fall, so long as they fall for one particular community or area, now everybody roof, now anything go fall on top. Those when we say they no get roof, they go suffer away. Those when get roof, they upstairs. If flood happen, wahala go happen inside that particular place. So everybody must join hands together to move this our country forward. From Calabar, we go bounce back again. Collect this call from one of our get callers when they on top of our telephone line. Good morning and welcome to As Ide Hot.
Okay, Emeka, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukudi.
We greet you, Oga Emeka.
I greet you.
Oga Emeka, una dey Abuja. All these things now, una hand the day, una Nkubi there.
Okay, Emeka, talk Ojare, we dey hear you, abeg. No mind and no listen to them.
Okay, talking about Oyegun and
The Jagaban.
We dey hear.
You see, when multiple and confused parties came together to form one party,
Multiple and confused.
Peace will be very far away from them, all right? So
Peace will not be far away
very
from
soon
us.
I go see us. Very soon I go see us make president resign. We did they watch them, no problem. No resign. Personal ambition. That aside, talking about national aspect. If they go say the aspect, carry pay allowances and traveling all over the place, traveling here and there, make them leave our asset for us. But if they go sell them, carry and work, better this economy, make sure say ordinary Nigerians, ordinary citizens, they see food to chop. Make them sell them. Because even in Nigeria, we lack maintenance problem. We don't have maintenance problem. We just do something cheap to maintain them, to generate them. If you say then they generate them, it will be entering another pocket, not this thing. So basically, if they go sell and travel up and down, go 50-year problem, may they leave our asset for us. Make we they manage them, make we they manage us, they manage them. But if they go sell them, make things better, make things come back to normal. Fine. And then finally, talking about Avengers, nothing I saw Boko Haram start. Like play. Then they ignore them. They ignore them. See today. Now they don't. They're number 4 now of world ranking of terrorists. Make them go say to these guys, hear their cry, know what thing they want, so that dialogue is the best way to settle issues. Not this strong way that they do. That's how they start. So before you know it now, fire go.
But okay, make you hear me?
Yes.
No, now be if 2 people they quarrel. Now 2 people go agree say they won't settle. Even if one look say okay, we reach to settle. Now remember say last week when we sit down for here, we been talk say they don't fix 26th and 27th to sit down talk about the Niger Delta, the government and the elders. You don't think say somehow this Niger Delta Avengers they don't already show say they fit destroy things. No be time for them to come sit down now and discuss. You don't think say now them the blame, we supposed to put the blame on top.
No, they blame government. No, say they talk say they go meet. They agreed they are going to meet. And then Avengers, they not agree.
They agree. They don't already fix the 26-27. Una don't fix the 26-27. Una can't go they destroy again. You don't think say that them we supposed blame?
Oh, okay. I don't say they don't agree, so they go meet.
They don't agree but now. Not be the Avengers, so the elders and leaders of Niger Delta and the federal government. They look okay. Oh, these elders and leaders now our papa them.
And that date where they give them never reach.
26-27, we never reach now. Now tomorrow and Wednesday.
Okay, so that one Avengers then go blame. Make we see the meeting finish. Make we know what happened. So make we see the outcome of the meeting. So that anything what they go do, they host something and they do. Understand? They say make them calm down. Now they are not their place then they destroy.
Not true.
Ogoni place now they say it will take 30. Is it not 30 years?
25 to 30 years.
You know, to clear because of all this messed up and everything, and then you are still blowing another one. You are still destroying this thing.
Very true.
If everybody can come back to his senses in Nigeria, if everybody can come together, we will make this country work.
Very
My
true.
problem is that our personal interest is always on the high side. Our personal interest is always on the high side. And then our leader, they neglect people at the grassroots. That is the problem. Because they know the lights know they fail for the place. Food know they fail for know they lack for the place.
Yes.
Very true.
Fuel, they know they get to buy this thing. That's why they are neglecting people at the downtown.
Very true.
In fact,
they work up.
Okay, make in fact you don't drop on that is you don't drop on well the way we Nigerians will also want here. And from that call, make we enter straight to Lokoja. Collect this call from Ogomi. Ogomi, good morning. Welcome to Us the Hot. Ogomi, they there?
Ogomi, you still there? Like say Ogomi, don't go. From that call, we'll go enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, it will be the final lap on top of Us the Hot. We go see the collect to the calls on top of this 5 action story when we carry come. Those who don't call us, we appreciate. Those who they try call, we never enter. Make una no vex. Make una call in to tell Nkubi this confusion we don't enter inside.
More go break, I beg. Thank you very much. More go break. Let's go on a break.
Anyway, Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukwudi Nkubi dey inside studio, and we carry 5 of the action to the way they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing based on weekend gist. Come. The first one get to do with the one when we say United Labour, that is organized labour, NLC, TUC, Nupeng, Pengasan, then draw here, give government say, make them not sell our national assets. If they sell them, they go here when they're going to take them, go back to 1989. Say the anti-SAP riots, that one go be child's play to waiting they go cost for inside this particular arrangement. Then Avengers, they don't strike again. Everybody go remember, say last week we been talking, say 26, 27, government don't put dates down where they go sit down with the elders and leaders of Niger Delta to discuss the problem of Niger Delta. But these Avengers, them, people like say their own, they don't want to hear what again. They talk, say, people like say government, they politicize the issue, they dilly-dally, they take time. They constantly they show government small to use let government know, say, they see the house. Then Sheikh Housef come release video, 40-minute video. For that 40-minute video, he talk, say the army, they lie. Say nothing to them, they no injure them, saying they were. In fact, the way they raise the voice, they bring Ghana, just be like choir master. In the control voice, they bring Ghana, say, make they come show. But how many people come and say, if you watch that video where say Sheikh be like, who get mental problem? Say, even that Sheikh, if like say the way when they take even sit down, say, they talk. If like say that show that when they wound them, they wound them, but maybe the team not really feel like the way when they take wound them, but they talk say make Nigerians not even give attention to that particular one. And the fourth and the fifth story got to do with what did they happen. Now Nkubi mouth, now that one go sweet. Nkubi.
The major team is so you don't talk.
Nkubi fourth and fifth, sorry.
Why was me I take fourth and fifth?
I've said 1, 2, 3. Talk fourth and fifth.
I'm not going to fourth and fifth.
You must talk fourth and fifth. You must talk.
Number first.
You must tell you.
I take consign. The consign was generally.
Not be me and you there, yeah. I don't talk 1, 2, 3.
Why does me I take 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3?
I don't take 1, 2, 3. Take 4 and 5.
That's the one chance you won't choke me.
Take 4 and 5.
I will take it.
Take it.
I'll take it my own way.
Take it your own
Straight
way.
up to 4. Resign sharp. Also they talk is that is Oga Tinubu. They tell the national chairman.
Why they smile? They talk. Why they smile?
National chairman of
no, why they smile? They talk. I said it. I said it. No, they pay you. Resign sharp. Resign sharp. Resign sharp.
It don't do you.
Talk your mind.
Before I go even talk anything, I will collect this call.
If they pay you for body.
I don't even talk again.
Confusion.
Kingsley, good morning. Talk to us.
The thing I won't even talk before, sir. I don't waste my time.
No verse, Oga Kingsley.
Go see finish. Nkubi, Chukwudi, you know what thing they go just do? Make they say Nigeria. No need of say make they say this one and that. Make they just say the country. Make we know say they don't sell our country. Make we not say we go nationalize to another country, because all this matter of sell this every day, there's no changes. What is everything? What is happening? We never see anything. Nothing will not change. So if our government no fear handle us, no fear administrate us well, make they just sell this country. Make we not say yes, we are no longer Nigerians.
But Oga Kingsley, quick one. Oga Kingsley, they don't say if they sell that money, they go pump into the economy. You know think say if they sell you know.
Hi.
Oga Kingsley, no.
But all the same, shall not now take home question for Oga Kingsley to also do it, to also reason. And we'll see the collecting our cause, and the matter still there very much on. And going by what we talk, the last story what we'll also talk about. Now the story we get to do with take speed, return our money quick. Who the talk is one?
Nkubi, you never talk the fourth one now.
I don't talk the fourth one.
No, you never talk the fourth one.
I don't talk the fourth one.
I better remind me.
I don't lie.
Oh.
Take speed, return our stolen money. Who the talk is one?
Wait.
The president, they remind them
Nkubi,
UK and US.
Wait.
Don't tell me to wait. I'm talking, don't tell me to wait.
You say you not go remind Nigerians.
I will remind you. No,
Nigerians.
Now you are talk.
Nkubi, you use them and say lie. You know
I say I will not remind you.
These people when they watch, now then they make them they pay your salary.
Chukwudi.
You are see, Nkubi, you bring our you discuss our viewers.
For your mind, you say don't talk.
Remind Nigerians the first story.
I will remind Nigerians. The first story get to do with resign sharp. Bola Tinubu to John Oyego. That is it.
Why?
We get a caller right now. I don't remind them. What do you think woman do? Good morning. Oga Samuel, all the way from Kaduna. Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yes.
Chukwudi and Nkubi.
We greet you, Oga Samuel.
Yeah. What I'm trying to say is that concerning
Continue.
Concerning the sale of our national assets.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is that please, these people should not sell our national assets because waiting we don't discover with them, they don't get interest of Nigerians at heart. Because everything where they do now politics. So the politics where they play, all of them will be government officials for there. Now they want to sell our national assets, go be shareholders for this assets where they want to sell. So all the ones where they sell before, they don't do anything to Nigerians. Yes. So now, what I'm trying, Nigerians again should know that this government are deceiving them. They are deceiving Nigerians, and we all know what is happening. The issue of what they call it, Shakau and the rest, Nigerian army should stop deceiving us. They should stop telling lies. They are lying to Nigeria. They have lied to Nigerians before that they have killed Shakau. Now we have discovered that Shakau is still alive, and Shakau is bringing out a video which they are denying. So if this man is dead, who brought out that video? And the man spoke by the speech, what we listened in that video, the thing is correct. So now, the solution to the problem of Northeast and Boko Haram lies in the hands of the president, General Muhammadu Buhari, the governor of Maiduguri, the governor of Borno State, Kashim Shettima. The food that they take to IDPs, these foods were diverted. It was discovered that in one of the Boko Haram camps, about 2 trucks of rice were found there with the level of the governor of Borno State. So the governor of Borno State should come and tell us what is happening in Maiduguri, and so that they will end up this insurgency.
Oga Samuel, because of the way we say time day now, we go just round off this particular gist, but we know say you dey watch as e dey hot, and we go encourage say make you join us tomorrow on top of as e dey hot, because this particular issue we go trash am, we go discuss am from start to finish. But thank you very much for this your important call. We appreciate everybody wey call us today. We appreciate all of una. Those wey try call when the thing no enter, we also appreciate. Oga Samuel, no vex, your vex dey put the show on top of the telephone. Abeg, until we come back again tomorrow to another topic wey dey come on smoke.
Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire pursue you. Holy Ghost fire pursue you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.